Enhancing your writing, the power of synonyms and antonyms in academic English. Hello, English language learners. In today's lesson, we're going to explore a key strategy for improving your writing, using synonyms and antonyms. This tool is especially effective in academic English, where precision and variety in language are highly valued. We'll cover what these terms mean, how you can use them to enhance your writing, and provide some practical examples to help you understand. Before we delve into how synonyms and antonyms can improve your writing, let's take a moment to define these terms. A synonym is a word that has the same or nearly the same meaning as another word in the same language. For example, the words happy, joyful, and elated are all synonyms because they have similar meanings. On the other hand, an antonym is a word that has the opposite meaning of another word. For example, happy and sad are antonyms. Let's start with synonyms. A common pitfall for many writers, especially those new to academic writing, is the repetition of the same words or phrases. This can make your writing feel monotonous and can distract the reader from your key points. One solution to this problem is using synonyms to add variety to your writing. For example, instead of using the word important repeatedly, you could use synonyms like significant, crucial, vital, or essential. This adds a level of sophistication and fluidity to your writing that can be very engaging for readers. Now, let's consider antonyms. Antonyms are an excellent tool for creating contrast or demonstrating a shift in your argument. They can be used to clearly show a change in direction or a conflicting viewpoint. For instance, if you're discussing a controversial topic, you might argue that one perspective is beneficial, while the opposing viewpoint is harmful. By using these antonyms, you're creating a clear contrast that helps your reader understand the points you're making. Remember, though, that not all synonyms and antonyms can be used interchangeably. This is where the concept of collocation comes into play. Some words naturally pair together or collocate in English, while make a decision and do a decision might seem equally valid if make and do are viewed as synonyms. Native speakers would only ever say, make a decision. Keep this in mind as you select synonyms and antonyms for your writing. So there you have it. Synonyms and antonyms can be powerful tools for enhancing your academic writing, providing variety and contrast, and adding a level of sophistication. But remember to consider collocation when choosing which synonyms and antonyms to use. We hope this video has been helpful and that you'll start using these tools in your writing to see their impact. Happy writing, everyone!